In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade your HostGator plan in just a few minutes. Whether you want to reduce your hosting costs or simply don't need as many features anymore, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, go to HostGator's main website by typing hostgator.com into your browser. Once you're on the homepage, click the sign in button and log into your account using your email and password. After signing in, you board. From here, go to the HostGator home section. You can do this by clicking the HostGator logo or selecting the home option from the menu. This makes sure you're in the right place before making any changes. Next, open your profile settings. You'll find the profile option under your account name in the top right corner. Click it to access your account details. This is where you manage personal information, billing, and plan changes. Now head to the renewal center. This section shows your current subscription, billing cycle, renewal dates, and available plan options. Look for your current hosting plan and find the button that says change plan, modify plan, or upgrade/downgrade. The wording may vary slightly depending on your interface. Select the downgrade option and follow the on-screen prompts. HostGator may ask why you're downgrading or whether you want to keep certain features. Review everything carefully to make sure you understand how the downgrade will affect your account, billing, and any included services. Once everything looks good, confirm the downgrade. You may receive a confirmation email with details about your new plan and the date the changes will take effect. And that's it, your HostGator plan. Remember, you can always upgrade again later if your needs change. And if you run into any issues, HostGator's support team is always available to help. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the process quick and easy for you. Feel free to replay the video anytime you need a refresher. Happy hosting!